Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to upload images to Canva in a few simple ways. The first and easiest way to upload an image is by using the drag and drop method. Open Canva and go to your design. Open the folder where your image is stored. Click and hold the image, then drag it over to Canva. Drop it in, and Canva will automatically upload the image for you. Super simple, right? Now, let's look at another way to upload images. Canva also has a built-in upload section where you can store all your images. Here's how you can use it. On the left-hand menu, click on Uploads. Click the Upload Files button. Choose an image from your computer or upload directly from Google Drive, Google Photos, Dropbox, and other platforms. Select your file and click Open. Your image will start uploading immediately. Once uploaded, your images stay in the Upload section, so you can reuse them anytime without needing to upload them again. To add your uploaded image to your design, simply click on the image and it will appear on your canvas, or drag and drop it onto your design. You can then resize, crop, or edit it however you like. And that's it! Now you know how to upload images to Canva using two easy methods. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.